Hello, Thomas YouTubers. What we have on the table today and going up on auction very soon on eBay is this Thomas with the jet engine set. But first, let's go ahead and see what we got in the mail here for my Hit Toys collection. Let's take a peek. Looks like we got a Gordon here. All right, it is a Gordon, and he looks like he's got a good face. Let me see. Yeah, he's got a good face on him right there. Take a look. Most of his paint is there. Tender is good. Other side of tender is good. And let's see the Hit Toys logo. I did have a Hit Toys way back when I first started in Thomas the Train's, like close to, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. And oh, it has a busted buffer right there, but we could fix that. But that was the one I turned into the ultra powerful Gordon that just flies 1,000 miles an hour with a 9-volt battery. All right, so we're going to put this up on the track and give it a run and see how it does. And then we'll put the jet engine set Thomas on the track. Okay, I got the broken buffer Hit Toys Gordon up on the track. I attached a couple of express coaches, green express coaches on there, just so I could see something as it pulls it around. So let's give it a run. Doesn't sound too bad. All right, that's the Hit Toys Gordon. Okay, so we got the Tomy jet engine Thomas up on the track. This is the one that's going to go up on eBay. That Gordon will not be going on eBay. That's for my collection. Here's the front, buffers and face, porthole windows, and there's the side of it. Little trailer with the two different kinds of carts on it. And here's the jet engine. I'm going to move around to the back and move the train a little bit so you can see it light up. There, so you can see it light up, but it will do that as we go around the track. We'll see the other side of the train when it gets around over there. Okay, so let's give it a run. Thanks for watching. See you next time.